The red carpet of Lux Golden Rose Awards 2016 was a star-studded gala attended by B-Town biggies like Shahid Kapoor, Anushka Sharma, Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone and other celebs.
Yeah, I think it's a great platform. I don't think we've had an award which has celebrated women and only women and focused on women the way that the awards tonight are, and I think that's a fantastic gesture on the part of Lux and the entire team at Zee. So I'm looking forward to a different award function, some new types of awards, and women who are achievers at the top of their game being honoured and shown respect the way that they should.
लक्स हमें जैसे पता है बहुत ही फ्रेग्रेंस जो इसका होता है बहुत खूबसूरत होता है और बहुत डिस्टिंक्ट होते हैं इनके फ्रेग्रेंसेस. तो वी आर डूइंग समथिंग फन विथ द डिफरेंट फ्रेग्रेंसेस दैट लक्स हैज़ and yeah, we're just talking to people about their idea of beauty and what Lux has been in their lives, and we have these gorgeous women that I have grown up watching, and I'm really looking forward to actually interviewing them and spending some time with them.
I think girls, women, aunties, they all love Shah Rukh, so I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for Lux. और मैंने भी एक ऐड किया था एक बाथटब में जब शाह रुख बाथटब में थे and we were all around him. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador.
Well, as you know, it's the Lux Awards, which is all about celebrating womanhood, and Shamak Dawa did the act. So we had a lot of fun. We did Kala Chashma and we did it the Shamak Dawa style. But it really is a wonderful evening, and I think it's a great thing that Lux is doing to kind of specifically pick out the memorable characters that women have done this year and award people for it. And it was wonderfully hosted by Shah Rukh and Karan.
My next release that will come in Hindi will of course be Bahubali Part 2. But yes, I'm constantly doing South Indian films. I've been actively in the regional films, so yeah, that's where I do a lot of work.
Extremely honored to be a part of this brand, and it's a lovely experience working with all those beautiful ladies and of course with Shah Rukh too.
Lux is synonymous with beauty and उसके लिए एक award किया जा रहा है and to award iconic Bollywood beauties, characters, etc. I think it's a great idea and I'm happy to be here today. I'm also performing, so that's going to be fun. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to the other performances.
Actually, ये award, the Lux Golden Rose Awards, are a special awards. It's their first year, and it's completely dedicated for women. So, and we have like some iconic women here today, like Sri Devi, and you know, just to name a few. Yeah, I think it's very, very exciting that we can have such an award like this today.
I think they are felicitating all the Lux ladies, and इतने सालों का एसोसिएशन रहा है लक्स के साथ. आई थिंक द ग्रेटेस्ट थिंग इज़ दैट माई मदर वॉज ऑल्सो अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर लक्स, माई सिस्टर ऑल्सो एंड मी ऑल्सो एंड माई मदर इन लॉ. So I think the whole family has been part of the Lux family, and that's why I think I've made this effort to be here tonight.
What am I expecting? I'm expecting beautiful women. I want to see all of them together this time. I think that's what makes it special. And first time I'm attending this. I mean, this is the first award for me in the season to attend. So yeah, देखते हैं. Let's hope it's a good start.
Well, I've actually judged the categories, so मुझे सारे जितने भी nominees हैं मुझे पता है. So I'm aware of that, and I'm very excited. And जैसे आपने कहा कि Shah Rukh is going to be there. I'm always a Shah Rukh fan, so I'm looking forward to that.
बहुत अवार्ड प्रेजेंट किए जा रहे हैं, काफ़ी उनकी सराहना की जा रही है. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. ये जो इनिशिएटिव है लक्स का, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर का, ये काफ़ी अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि आई कुड बी हियर.